Hi friends, welcome to the Tyson Discovery Center. Today I'm going to have the opportunity to show you a brand new platform that we're coming out with. It's called Raised and Rooted. I have two new concepts that I'm going to show to you today, one using a tender and then one using a nugget. So let's get started. Okay, first thing we're going to do is I have this baguette that I've toasted lightly here. It's going to give us a little bit of crunch and also help support that sandwich. The next thing I'm going to do is I have this hoisin mayonnaise that I made. So it's a little bit of combination of just hoisin and mayonnaise. Hoisin's going to give you a little bit of an umami effect on there. The next thing we're going to do is place our tenders down. Actually, 3 right in a row I think is perfect for this sandwich. There we go. Okay, then we're going to take our garnishes. We've got a little bit of purple cabbage. We shredded really fine. We're just going to spread that across. It's going to give us some crunch and a little bit of color on that sandwich. I've taken some shaved carrots that I've pickled slightly. So a little bit of a pickle flavor, so a little bit of that sour note. We're just going to put those right on top, and that little bit of a jumper too. Then I've got some jalapeno slices. This is one of those things that you can absolutely leave off. So for a direction from heat, if I didn't want it to be too hot, I would leave these jalapeno slices off. And I could control my heat either with a hot sauce or something else. Last thing I'm gonna do right here is just a little bit of garnish of fresh chopped cilantro. I am gonna give it a squeeze of fresh lime juice right over the top. Now this is that spot too where we just talked about the jalapeno, that if I wanted to use something like a sriracha sauce or a chili sauce, I can add that right over the top too and control that heat. Right now I'm not gonna do that because we've already got that little bit of heat from that jalapeno. So let's put our cover on there, our crown. We're actually gonna pick that to get it all stick together. I actually made some Thai spiced chips too, to kind of go with those as well. So I've got a nice little Banh Mi sandwich using our Raised and Rooted platform, which is alternative protein, in a familiar format, so a Banh Mi, to serve simply. So a lot of vegetables, I've got a lot of crunch and a lot of different flavor profiles going in there. Okay, let's start with the first thing we're gonna do is actually put down a small ladle full of our sauce. So we have that Tikka Masala sauce. That's some charred tomatoes and spices like garlic, fenugreek, charred tomato you can actually see in there. So don't think spicy, think big, bold flavors with that. Then we're gonna take our rice that's seasoned with a little bit of cumin seeds. We're gonna put it right in the middle there. Got a nice little sticky jasmine rice for us. That looks perfect right there. We're gonna take some of our Raised and Rooted nuggets, put those around. Based on that bowl size I have, I'm gonna say the magic number is gonna be about 4. Make it look a little bit bigger. Put those right to the side. I've got some cherry tomatoes that we roasted in the oven and just charred, so I have these wonderful charred cherry tomatoes here that we're gonna spread around. And just put a couple all the way around. So they're still gonna be sweet. That charred tomato flavor is gonna match up with that sauce flavor as well. So that's gonna be the perfect little combination that we have. So we've got our nice little build going. Right on the top, we're gonna take a little bit of a yogurt mint sauce. We're just gonna kind of put that right over the top right there. So for those folks that do kind of feel that's a little bit on the spicy side, that's gonna cool you down. So that not only that yogurt's gonna be a little bit cooling, but that mint's gonna help too. And we're gonna garnish it just with a little bit of chopped mint again. I'm gonna finish it off with a little crack of pepper too. So right there you have a Tikka Masala using our alternative protein, Raised and Rooted nugget on jasmine rice with sauce, a little bit of cooling effect of that yogurt, and just a wonderful combination of flavors. So very much on trend and delicious. Thanks for joining us and have a great day.